Hey there, Snapchat enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we share valuable tips and tricks to enhance your Snapchat experience. In today's video, we'll be discussing a topic that many of you have been concerned about: how to prevent anyone from seeing your cameos in Snapchat ads. If you want to ensure your privacy and restrict the visibility of your cameos, this full guide is for you. Let's dive right into the step-by-step process. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app on your device. Locate the familiar yellow ghost icon either on your home screen or in your app drawer, and tap to open it. Step 2. Once you're inside the Snapchat app, tap on the account icon positioned in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. In the account settings, you'll notice a gear icon. Tap on it to access the Snapchat settings menu. Step 4. Now, scroll down through the settings options until you find Cameos. Tap on it. Step 5. Within the Cameos settings, look for the option Use My Cameo Selfie and tap on it. Then, select the option Only Me. By following these steps, you can easily prevent anyone from seeing your cameos in Snapchat ads by limiting the visibility to only yourself. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.